Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So, it is another weekend and it is time for another vlog. Anyway, so today we have to run some errands. We have to go overturn a shelf. We have to go to Michael's to buy some stuff to finish up a wreath. We have to make the wreath. I actually have two to make. And then we have to wrap some presents. So a pretty full day. So well, I should probably get going and I will check in with you guys later. Bye. So we are back together now. And that is because I figured we could get ready together. So for this part of the video, I'll be working with Merit Beauty, and I am so freaking excited to be able to say that still. So I have worked with Merit in the past, and I've used their products since before I started working with them, and I just really like them. Like, they're definitely one of my favorite makeup companies. Anyway, I feel like people have heard of Merit Beauty, or at least like seen them around because they're at Sephora. But for those of you guys who have like no clue who they are, Merit Beauty is all about very minimal and natural looking makeup that incorporates skincare loving ingredients and is clean, vegan, and cruelty free. And yeah, that's pretty much them in a nutshell. Alright, so my face is washed, my SPF is on, and we are ready to get going because I need to get going. And I'm going to start things off with Merit's Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. So I first tried this stuff out when I reviewed Merit's La Fête Kit, and I have been obsessed ever since. I mean, hence why I now have a full-size bottle. So I think this might be my new favorite Merit Beauty product. I use this stuff regardless of if I'm going to be wearing makeup for the day. It is just the greatest. It gives my skin a very hydrated look and feel, and it gives it a really pretty and subtle glow. Now for my under eyes and to cover up any like redness and dark spots, I'm going to use Merit's Complexion Stick in the shade Dune. So we're just gonna wing it and use the viewfinder to do this. And I am not particularly close to the viewfinder, so this could go poorly, but it'll probably be fine. Just gonna blend this out with a sponge, and then we should be good to go. I really like how this product sits on the skin. I feel like it looks very natural and still gives like good coverage. Moving on to brows, I'm using Merit's 1980s Brow Gel in the shade Natural, and that is just code word for clear. So yeah, just gonna give myself like very happy, fluffy brows. I feel like Bob Ross. Happy trees. Happy brows. Before we get into mascara, I of course need to curl my lashes because they are very not curled naturally. So let us try to do this with the viewfinder. Alright, this is going better than expected, so that is cool. We got that one. Look at that focus. Alright, do not laugh. I act as if I can actually see what's going on, and I can't really see what's going on. Alright, I think we're good. So with Merit's Clean Lash Mascara, I'm just going to put a couple layers on to give my lashes like a little bit of volume, a little bit of length, and some color. You know how there's like lipstick shades which are like your lips but better? I feel like this mascara is like your lashes but better. Like super great for every day, just giving your lashes something a little bit extra. So I have Merit's Bronze Balm in the shade Seine, and I'm just going to go ahead and add like a little bit of color to like my cheeks and temple area. Because in the winter, honestly, even in the summer, I am not particularly bronze. Alright, I think this looks good. Just gonna blend that out, and look at that color. So pretty. Yeah, so I guess now this is my second favorite Merit Beauty product. Sorry, Bronze Balm, you have been shown up. Now I'm just going to take some of Merit's Day Glow Highlighting Balm and add some highlight. So yeah, this is in the shade Cava, which as you can see is this super pretty like shimmery champagne color. And we're gonna go ahead and put that here and here and here. So I am not like a highlight person, but this highlight balm kind of is changing my mind. Like I think maybe I am a highlight person after all. Yeah, I just really like how this stuff like subtly catches the light as you turn. It's like, ah, that's exactly what it's like. And now for blush, I have Merit's Blush Balm in the shade Beverly Hills. And I think this is the greatest color ever, at least for my skin. It is the prettiest pinky peach color, and it is the bomb. Like this color is so nice. It is the perfect balance between orange and pink. And yeah, it just blends out super great too. It's a text notification. I thought I had friends. My bad. And to finish things up, I have the first Merit product I ever tried, which is their lip oil. Except this is in the shade Taupe, and when I first bought this, I bought it in Sangria. But anyways, we're just going to put a little bit of this stuff on. It is this really pretty like pinky brown shade. I have never used it before, so I am very, very excited. And there we go. Yeah, I am really digging this lip shade. It is like my lips, but a little bit better. I mean, honestly, I'm like digging this whole look. I think I look great. Anyway, so if you guys are looking to check out anything that I put on my face today, I'm going to leave a link to Merit's site down below, and yeah, you can go have a look. I personally think any Merit product would make an amazing gift for like a beauty lover in your life. If I had to pick my top 3, they would be... This is actually really hard because I kind of like everything, but top 3. So number 1 is Merit's Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. Number 2, this is kind of, I feel like I'm kind of cheating, but it's fine. Number 2 is a tie. And it is a tie between Merit's Bronze Balm and their Flush Balm. Like I can't pick. And then number 3 is Merit's Lip Oil. Oh, I have a friend. Okay, I will get that later. But again, I feel like any Merit product would make an excellent Christmas/holiday gift for a beauty lover in your life. Like I don't think you could really go wrong. And just a heads up, if you spend $40 on their site, you get free shipping, and if it's your first order ever, you get this super cute makeup bag, which I have been using since I received it. It is the best. And now it's time to get going. Alright, so we're back and it's time to assemble one of these wreaths, because if I don't assemble one of them today, I will probably not be able to finish both of them by Christmas. So yeah, let's go do that. So here are our supplies, and our goal is to make an anthropology inspired wreath. So yeah, let's see how we do. Okay, so now I have some cleaning to do because there is glitter and like craft stuff all over the floor. And we also had some people over this weekend, so the whole house just kind of needs a good clean. So get ready for, yeah, cleaning. So I was going to take a bath, but it looks like I am not allowed. Yukito. Yuki. Hi. What are you doing, bud? So Joe helped me clean, so I am bathed and I am ready to relax earlier than I thought I was going to be able to. So that is pretty great. Thank you, Joe. Anyways, I think we're just gonna like hang out and chill for the rest of the evening. So yeah, just enjoy kicking back and relaxing with us.